What's up, YouTube? As you can see, I have an HP Officejet 3830, and as you see my videos, I have a couple videos on this. I'm gonna do a quick video on how to connect to your Wi-Fi. So basically, you have your LCD right here, and it will turn on. Okay, when it's on, you will go to setup, network, make sure your wireless is on, go here. Right now it's going to search for wireless routers. Okay, as you can see, I found a couple of them. As you can see, you will pick the one that you have, and as soon as you pick the one that you have, just gonna pick any other one. It will, once you put your password, it's gonna tell you that. You hit OK. Okay, as you can see, it say connecting successfully, and you are all set. You press OK, and you go home, and you're all set to print. Well, like and subscribe. Thank you.